Yo guys, completely different setting. I hope the mic is not too bad here. But yeah, as you can see, I'm in a completely different spot than I usually am in. I'm in Marbella, Spain. And a year ago I couldn't even imagine this, honestly, bro. Like a year ago I wasn't even like physically allowed to travel, bro. So it's like crazy stuff, honestly. But yeah, today's point of this video is not to kind of like flex or bully you guys, even though it's kind of like that effect. The goal of this is just to kind of show you why kind of not focusing too much on the outputs actually produces the inputs. So we had a big month in February. It's actually our biggest month as well too, which is funny because January was our biggest month. So it's like we're kind of on the streak of just like hitting milestones now. And but I spent a lot of it back into like improving the business and not getting complacent. Like we hired a bunch of new people, we brought in some new team, we had like a lot of new systems built out. So it's like I'm using all these funds to just make sure that I'm like we still improve the service, because what I've realized is that the only reason I'm getting these people coming to me is not because of like my expertise. Maybe that's a play. It's not because of like a bunch of other stuff. It's all because we provide value and we do a good service that people pay for, and people refer us to people that actually want to get our services. So what I've realized is you don't want to lose that far side, because what most people will do is they'll get to this point and then they will just forget everything that got them here and then just start doing bullshit. Like I'm talking like horrible, like stupid shit. Like they start fucking spending their money, buying a bunch of stuff they don't need, and then they don't reinvest back into the team, and then they face into like fulfillment issues, and then they can't scale, and then all the clients just end up being like, hey, I don't know if this is working out, and then eventually they refund, and then or like they just leave. And now they're stuck with no clients, no value, no acquisition system because they wanted to pause it or something like that. And I've seen that happen so many times, not even just for agency only, but even for coaches as well too, where it's like they get to a spot and then they become complacent. They stop doing the things that made them money. They turn off the ads, they turn off the outreach, maybe they put the seller on pause, and like they're not doing the things that actually brought them there in the first place, which is funny. But it's easy to lose that far side, because when you get to a different state, especially a state that you've been trying to get to, you get there and then it's very hard to try and remember what you were doing before, because what you were doing before came from a place of like, I need to make it out, and then you end up making it out, and then you're like, shit, it's all gone now, like I don't need to do anything anymore. But it's like it's just so funny because people can't see past it, and I don't blame them. That's the thing, because it's so hard to, because imagine spending all your time working so hard, and then you finally get to the thing. It's so hard to be like, all right, cool, fuck all of this, I'm gonna just sit down and just keep grinding. And that's why a lot of people, they'll make some money, but they just can't keep it, bro. And that's like the biggest thing I've been learning. It's like you just have to make sure that you're putting your stuff in the right places, you're investing your stuff in the right place, in the right people, you're building the right systems, and you're not getting too complacent with money. You're not looking at money as just kind of like the thing to fund your lifestyle. It's funding your business, and then which in turn funds your lifestyle, not the other way around. Because people build a lifestyle business that's around them, and then if they're not performing, their business is not performing. So it's like it just requires them to be 100%. Like this trip I was on, I wasn't really 100%. I hope the microphone is really good, by the way. Like I don't want to. My mic's in the back in the car that we rented, but it's like I just can't be asked to go get it. But what was I even saying? Shit, I need to probably rewatch this. What was I even saying? Damn, completely lost. Yeah, I wasn't being 100%. So I wasn't even being 100% on this trip because the sun, there's like nice things to do. So I was still spending some time, but the reason I was able to do that is because of the systems, it's because of the people. And even though it eats up into your margins a lot, trust me, you get that peace of mind of like, damn, there's someone here, there's someone around here that's going to help me with this problem I'm facing. Like there's someone that's going to respond to this client, there's someone that's going to like get this thing done, there's someone that's going to make this thumbnail, there's someone that's going to edit this video, there's someone that's going to write this script. And it's like There's someone that's going to send these outreach messages. There's someone that's going to review these messages. And it's like all these things, they cost so much money. But it gives you the peace of mind to be able to do stuff like this. Star Flex, by the way, is just showing you. However, you don't get complacent with it. Because as soon as I'm back, which is the last day today, I'm going to make sure that systems are tight, clients are well served, and everyone's getting the speed that they deserve. Because at the end of the day, in B2B, everyone is obsessed with speed. So if you can provide something fast, give people the result they want extremely fast, you are never going to have to worry about money ever again. I promise you. So my lesson to you guys, the lesson I learned myself is never get complacent. Never ever. Always remember what got you to the dance. And don't forget it, because it's very easy to lose foresight. Maybe you're in a position where none of the shit I'm saying right now makes any sense to you. Maybe you're in a position where it's like you're doing good, you haven't really got that like syndrome of like, damn, I need to like go out and just do a bunch of like bullshit. But it will come, and it's like it hits faster than ever, because it's so easy to lose that like what was I gonna say? It's so easy to like get to that point because of everything around you, especially environment, especially like the values people have around money and like lifestyle. It's so easy to get to that point, and when you do, it's not easy to get out. So you always have to remind yourself what got you to where you are, who are the people you're serving, why are you even making the money in the first place, and always make sure that you go back to those things, because when it hits, and it's not fun. So yeah, bro, like that's kind of like my main thing. That's why, even though it sounds really smart, I don't even look at it. I just look at this as like, okay, cool, this is a result of like us doing good work, us, doing good things. As a result, we need to do more good work and more good things, invest into more people, buy more coaching programs, teach more people cool stuff, and sell my things a lot more. So that's kind of like the lesson for this video. It's nothing too crazy. It's really short. I'm gonna go take some pictures on the shoreline on the other side with the team. They're over there just like walking back. Yeah, and yeah, we float team, 2 people in the team, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and speak very soon. I want to put this like, yeah, that's the effect I was trying to get.